back to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario based interview questions for AWS Solution Architect. You can download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Let's understand the scenario first. You are tasked with designing a cloud native application for a financial services company that requires high performance, low latency, and robust security. The application involves processing large financial transactions, managing customer accounts, and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. The company aims to leverage the cloud for scalability and reliability while maintaining a secure and compliant environment. Now, focus on the requirement. Our requirement here is process large financial transactions with low latency and high performance, ensure data security and compliance with financial regulations, implement a scalable and reliable architecture to handle peak transaction loads, optimize costs by leveraging cloud native services efficiently. As a AWS solution architect, how should you approach this? Here are the below components you should select. First, start with core transaction processing. Use Amazon Aurora as the relational database for high performance transaction processing. Implement read replicas to distribute read traffic and enhance performance. Utilize Amazon DynamoDB for caching frequently accessed data. Then, security and complaints. Implement encryption at rest and in transit for data stored in Amazon Aurora. Utilize AWS Key Management Service KMS for managing encryption keys securely. Implement fine grained access control using AWS Identity and Access Management. Then, scalability and reliability. Utilize Amazon RDS multi AZ deployment for automatic failover and high availability. Implement AWS Lambda for serverless computing to handle asynchronous tasks and offload non critical operations. Use Amazon Elastic Cache for in memory caching to improve application performance. Event driven architecture. Implement Amazon Simple Notification Service and Amazon Simple Queue Service for event driven communication between microservices. Use AWS Lambda for processing events and triggering downstream actions asynchronously. API Gateway and Load Balancing. Implement Amazon API Gateway for secure and managed APIs. Use Elastic Load Balancing to distribute incoming traffic across multiple instances for fault tolerance. Monitoring and logging. Utilize Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring application and infrastructure metrics. Implement AWS CloudTrail for auditing API calls and changes to resources. Set up centralized logging using Amazon CloudWatch logs or integrate with a log management solution. Cost optimization. Leverage AWS resources instances for predictable workloads to optimize EC2 costs. Utilize AWS Cost Explorer and AWS Trusted Advisor to analyze and optimize costs continually. Then, disaster recovery. Deploy the application across multiple AWS availability zones for fault tolerance. Implement regular automated backups and snapshots for critical data. Use AWS Backup for centralized backup management. This cloud native application architecture provides high performance, low latency, and security for financial transactions. It ensures compliance with regulatory standards, scalability, and reliability. Continuous monitoring and cost optimization practices contribute to the efficient utilization of cloud resources. Adjustments can be made based on specific financial regulations and organizational policies. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any AWS certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.